We are here at Angela's home. Newly remodeled kitchen is on the background. So this is Angela. Hi, Angela.
Hi,
Yeah,
how
so-
are you?
Yeah, I want you to say something about your newly remodeled kitchen. So how do you feel about
Well,
it?
How I feel about it, I'm ecstatic. I'm very pleased. I found out about Irene Designs, LLC from my daughter, Dawn, and she said to me that Irene is very professional, very meticulous, and so I gave her a call. She came, she took photos, she gave me 7 different options on how my kitchen would look, and I just love it. I love it. It opens up my whole house. I had a curved wall. She figured out how to have my cabinets here. I have an island now. So I'm very, very happy with her vision. It was a vision that this woman came up with. So very, very happy.
Okay, well, thank you so much. It's actually, you told the whole story.
I did. And like I
feel-
said, everybody she took me to, the cabinet makers, they were wonderful. I love my countertops. Oh, my granite. She helped me. She helped me pick this. Very happy with Irene Designs. If you ever are looking for someone with ideas and you don't know where to even start, just get a hold of Irene Designs, LLC. Very, very happy with the work.
Thank you so much.
You're so welcome.